Hi, class. So thank you, Jeannie. You emailed me and you reminded me, and I apologize, that I did not go over the requirements for your final paper. So I'm going to do this quick video. I think that's easier than me try to type all of this to let you know the requirements for your final paper. So first, I'm going to post a sample paper, so a sample final paper from my class of a student that received an A. And you can use that as a frame to show you how the paper is supposed to be set up in terms of page number, in terms of title, and more importantly, subtitles, right? Also pay attention to the transition sentences, how the student transitions from one section of the paper to the next. Those are very important. The most important paragraph in this paper is the first paragraph. So there are a few requirements in this first paragraph, and I'm realizing that you're gonna probably see this reverse, but here we go anyway. So to begin, your thesis, and I'm gonna put this as number 2, your thesis and your essay map belong in that first paragraph. I, as your reader, should not be fishing and looking for your thesis and your essay map anywhere else besides the first paragraph. Before your first thesis, you want 1 to 2 hook sentences, right? So these are sentences that introduce your work. You can include an anecdote, a story. You can tell the reader how you came about with your topic, but it's a hook sentence to capture your reader's attention. So after the first 1 or 2 sentences for the hook sentence, then include your thesis and your essay map. The third part is outline the rest of your paper for the reader. So what do I mean by this? So let's talk about a very easy, simple thesis. Let's say I say that drinking water is beneficial for your liver because it detoxes your liver and it makes you urinate a lot. Let's use that very vague thesis. So let's say that's your thesis and your essay map. After you include that, you say the first part of this paper is going to address where the liver is and what the liver function, what are the liver's functions in the body. After I discuss the function of the liver, I will provide an analysis of the way the liver detoxes and helps you when you drink water. The next section after that will discuss how drinking a lot of water makes you urinate more and how that's beneficial for you in terms of your liver. Afterwards, I will conclude this paper. So that's how you're going to outline your paper for the reader. You can do something like after your thesis and essay map, you can say the first section of this paper will discuss gentrification. I will provide a definition and I will discuss gentrification and the way it's playing out in Jackson Heights, for example. After I discuss gentrification, the section following that will provide a discussion on the first part of your essay map, right? After that section, I will provide a discussion on the second part of your essay map. Because remember, you need a thesis and you need 2 parts of the essay map. I'm going to repost that thesis/essay map article that I had you all read for homework a few weeks ago because that will be very, very, very beneficial for you for your final paper. And then you need subtitles. Right? And if you take a look at that sample paper that I'm going to post for you, you see the way the student created their subtitles. Not every single paragraph needs a subtitle.